we're going to be looking at how to draw our graphs using NZ Grapher. So the first thing we need to do is Google NZ Grapher and click on the link, and it should look like this. Now we're going to use a data set that is in Carmel, so it's Carmel in all lowercase. And then if I look here, I've got all the different data sets that I can want to use. So we're going to practice today on the babies data set. So we have some babies data from the USA. It's whether the child was deemed to be of a low birth weight, the mother's age, their ethnicity. There's lots of issues with the way they've categorized ethnicity, whether the mother smoked, and the birth weight of the baby. So we need to click on the About box and choose that we want to do a dot plot, and that allows us then to select our variable. Now remember, our variables are our numerical variable is our axis going across the bottom, so it's got to be a number. So that means we've got the option of birth weight or mother's age. I'm going to go to birth weight, and my categorical data set is the second one, and I'm going to choose to do whether the mother smokes, and that automatically divides my graph into two dot plots. Now there's some other things that we can turn on in our dot plot to make it easier for us to talk about them. So one thing we want to do is click shape outline, and that draws a little diagram of what the shape would look like. And I want to scroll down until I see stack dots and grid lines. And now to draw the title of my graph, I have to go to my thing, and this is a dot plot of birth weight and if mothers smoke. Okay, and when I click update graph, that title will appear. Now I can right click on that graph and copy that image and paste it into a Google Doc. Okay, so that's the first graph we need to do. The second graph we need to do is we need to turn off the shape outline and then turn on that we want the box plots. Now you can have the box plots on top of the dots, or you can have the box plots above the dots, depending on whether you do high box plot or not. And that will give me a box and whisker diagram. So that would be the second graph I get. And lastly, I would want to put all our statistics on there. So that's the minimum, the lower quartile, the median, the mean, the upper quartile, the max, and the number of data points. So those are our graphs that we need to get. I hope you can do that.